Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about online file conversion. And in this video, I will show you how to convert your SVG file to JPEG file online for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your browser, go ahead and make sure you visit this particular website right here. Cloudconvert.com is going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on convert right here. So select your file format. Convert right here. Then we have to make sure we navigate to vector. Then we make sure we click on SVG. Having select SVG, we click on here, and then we need to make sure we click on image right here. Then we make sure we choose JPEG. Next thing we want to do here is to click here, click on select file. Then we have to make sure we select our SVG file. So here's my SVG file. Select on it, hit on open, click on convert. After a successful conversion, go ahead and click on download right here. Then you can see the file now is JPEG format. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your file destination. I'm saving it in my download folder, then I'll click on save right here. It's that simple. You can now see that the file format is now in JPEG. For more tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.